All right, this tutorial is about how can you open the virtual keyboard from um, from your computer. Let's say you need to use your virtual keyboard, and how do you open it? There are a couple of ways. I'll show you the best ways. The first one you could open using your keyboard, which is Control Windows and O. If you press that, that will open this keyboard screen for you, and you can do whatever is needed. This is how you can open it. Let me close this one. And another way you could do is go to the search or press Windows, right? And then here you type run, RUN, right? And then you type OSK, right? And then you click OK. It'll do the same thing for you.